Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Fahad. Today I'm talk about a theory that brought Tom Hartman his book in an hypothesis he bought in 1993. It's when I heard his one of face that a hunter in farmer's world. So in my novelty seeking brain is interested that hypothesis and his theory and curious about it, and I learned about it because one of the main reason uh, you understand well, I like writing and making videos, and I know it my psychology is going to curious about the thing which I am interested. So I'm very interested. That's one reason. And one reason I recently diagnosed ADHD, and I want to more about like in repair my brain. And one of the guy, the Hallowell MD Edward M. Hallowell, the author of ADHD 2.0, it says that Ferrari engine of brain with Ferrari engine, and the brakes are in bicycle's brake, and I'm repairing it. I'm continually repairing. That's Edward M. Hallowell's word. And here his book I got and start to abstract ideas and action steps to repair my Ferrari engine brain and brakes. I'm repairing brakes in my brain. You, I think you got it something. So I'm making videos, and I have some struggles, difficulties in psychological and neuroscience. I go deep into. I realize that it's all is I'm not lazy, stupid. I'm hardworking, but something went wrong in something because of neurodevelopmental disorder and something dopamine, not get enough dopamine, and so I'm seeking novelty. I have novelty in all one. The name is Hallowell's words in Ferrari engine brain and brakes are in bicycle. And Tom Hartman is philosophy is the highest hypothesis is theory is hunter gatherer society we lived in 3 million years ago, and transition happens 10,000 years ago to agriculture age, and we got the trait, we got the genetic disorder from the hundred. They are in orienting their focus for making gets food by hunting fowls and their houses make with woods, and they are always to notice in their surroundings and stuffs, and we are the brain's genetics from that 100 genes like stuffs. His theory is hypothesis. I'm very interested to read his book, and so bring here with you, share with you because of some ideas to persist and to be consistent and to mainly because of attention disorder, hyper inattention and hyperactivity in that feels who are in experience some wired experience, and they feel we are not enough because of something wired happening in always and always, and that's cause depression and sleep deprivation and our productivity all stuff. So as who is in experiencing struggles in their for regulation, self-regulation, and something like we learn about how good our executive function and where we need to use our willpower and what happening because of the neurotransmitters and dopamine. These all are these influence our behavior, and so we need to organize our stuffs inside what happens in our brain, and we need to control and resist the sense of negative things we are experiencing in our day-to-day life. So I'm mentioning many times in one methodology of the other Reader Carroll's bullet journal is helpful for one who are in struggling in the neurodivergent folks who are struggling to organize their thoughts and behavior and their life. They can use this methodology of bullet journal. We can write down our thoughts and tasks and actions and moods or stuffs, and that helps to learn about ourselves, and bec- that helps you because of we are also in struggling to time management, time blindness, and the pathway of time is hugely affecting neurodivergent people, and so some always repairing your neurodivergent brain and to learn stuff relevant steps relevant tools, relevant tricks about how to overcome this and invest yourselves knowledge that like books and podcast available that's helping you to identify your strength and weakness and overcome these challenges. If not yet subscribe the channel, please subscribe. This all about helping people who are struggling their achievements, get the get things done and reach their goals, and what challenges they are experiencing, if it is in psychology, neuroscience, and what behind the obstacles, what hindering them, and I'm trying to help them to learn and help others to this motive behind this channel. And if you not subscribe, please subscribe the channel and please put it down your comments about the topic we are discussing, and please know me in comment section. So that's it in today's video. Until then, next video, thank you for watching.